friends, my name is Miss Bailey and welcome to this week's STEAM activity. Our activity this week is a balloon egg parachute. Alrighty, so in your take-home kits you should have 2 long pieces of yarn, 1 plastic egg, 1 balloon, and 1 plastic cup. And what you'll need from home are 2 pieces of tape to help secure the yarn to the balloon. Alrighty, let's get started. Alright, so you'll want to start off by taking your 2 pieces of yarn and your plastic cup, and you'll want to loop your yarn in the tiny holes that should be poked in the plastic cup. And what you'll want to do is tie 2 knots or double knot the yarn so that it's all secure. Alright. And we'll do the other side. Alright, so here is what our parachute is looking like right now. Next, you'll want to use your strong lungs to blow air into our balloon. Here's what our balloon is looking like, all blown up. So next what you want to do is use 2 pieces of tape to secure the yarn to the balloon, and you'll want to make sure that it's even on both sides so your parachute isn't lopsided. So this is what our parachute is looking like now. Our egg is all secure, and you can use a real egg if you'd like, but there's a chance you'll have to clean it up. So use at your own risk. Alright, so this is just a quick demonstration on how the parachute falls. Okay, so now we're going to try it from a staircase. Alright, so now here I am at the 2nd level in the library, so now I'm going to drop the parachute. Alright, didn't make it! That's okay. When you're ready. Okay, so we are at the 3rd level of the library, and now we're going to see how the parachute falls. So 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, thank you everyone for joining me for this week's STEAM activity. The STEAM kits will be available outside the back entrance of the library. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email. Thank you and bye for now.